OnePlus Nord CE4 5G versus the Moto Edge 50 Pro 5G. Let's find out which mobile is best for you. Let's start the comparison with the display sizes. This OnePlus Nord CE4 5G mobile comes with a 6.7 inches of Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus supported display, which is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass. With the Moto Edge 50 Pro mobile also comes with a 6.7 inches of Full HD Plus resolution supported, HDR10 Plus supported, 144Hz refresh rate display. Yes. So in display wise, according to the specs, this Moto Edge 50 Pro is better. When we talk about the heart of the mobile, that is the processor. Yes. When we talk about the processor, yeah, these two mobiles comes with the same processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Yes, it is an octa-core 5G processor. This OnePlus Nord CE4 5G mobile comes with a 7 5G bands, where this Moto Edge 50 Pro mobile comes with a 9 5G bands. So these two mobiles are available in different variants. Those are like this OnePlus Nord CE4 5G mobile will be available in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. Now these are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAM types. But this Moto Edge 50 Pro mobile is available in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 256 and also 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. These are UFS 2.2 storage capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAM types. Now the plus point in this section is that this OnePlus Nord CE4 5G comes with the hybrid SIM slot. That means two SIM cards or one SIM card, one micro SD card, and you can expand up to 1 terabyte. So that is a plus point, which is missing in a lot of mobiles, obviously in this mobile also. When we talk about the cameras, yes, this first OnePlus Nord CE4 5G mobile comes with triple cameras, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a depth sensing camera of 2 megapixels. But this Moto Edge 50 Pro mobile also comes with a triple functional cameras, that are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a 10 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. When we talk about the selfies, this OnePlus Nord CE mobile comes with 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. This Moto Edge 50 Pro mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Yes, that's a huge. And when we talk about the powerhouses, that means the batteries of these two mobiles, this OnePlus Nord CE comes with a huge 5500 milliamp hours of battery, and it also supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any wireless charging features. This Moto Edge 50 Pro mobile comes with a 4500 milliamp hours of decent battery, and it supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports 90 watts of wireless charge. So this is a plus point. In battery section, it's gonna be like equal. And when we talk about the other features, like these two mobiles comes with a Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi support, and Bluetooth 5.4 and NFCs. These two mobiles comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, and compass, everything. These two mobiles also comes with a stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jacks. And yeah, when we talk about the operating system, this Moto Edge 50 Pro runs on Android version 14 out of the box with Fusion OS, where this Nord CE comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with Oxygen OS latest version. These two mobiles comes with different features, like this mobile comes with IP54 splash and dust resistant, where this Moto Edge 50 Pro mobile comes with a proper IP68 water and dust resistant features. So these are the major differences between these two mobiles. When we talk about the pricing comparisons, yeah, this mobile starting price was at 25,000 rupees. This mobile starting price was at 30,000 rupees. So there's a 5,000 difference between these two mobiles. So if you want a hardcore, better camera performance and a little bit of fast charging mobile, so you can choose this Moto Edge 50. That's really easy to take. This OnePlus Nord, if you want a huge battery with the fast charging and Oxygen OS features, then you can choose this OnePlus Nord CE4 5G mobile. Oh, by the way, I have made a separate videos for this OnePlus Nord CE4 5G as well as for this Moto Edge 50 Pro. So you can watch them by going to the description box down below as well as here in this iCard section. I have also given a links for those two videos. And by the way, if you're watching the video until now, subscribing to the channel would be amazing. So that's it for the video, and thanks for watching.